YouTube channel namin.
Live video, no edit. You know, this is a Bangkok family. Here we can see me, this is an ex-Bangkok, and my behind is my fella, Albert Cookie from Bangkok family.
Face that. Yo, this mind is whack. I've been chilling with this all hip hop. I play this music, hip hop plays middle. I play Zack and Dog, it's Zack Pop. Alright. Telling me where, they're telling me go. They're telling me where the fuss everyone is at. They're telling me how the funds I've been calling late. I'm out working, they just give me phone. I trust nobody cares, I trust nobody even actually tell. This dream is turning corny, they just have to feel corny. I've been taking witness in all these years, but you even get this brag. Now I'm been turning on my side and I'm looking from my behind. I see these freaking coming through, they just ahead of me, feeling like it just hit. I believe me, feeling like it always when they just have to see it, believe in me, cause it's not city like it in it. Universe, we got goals, we black goals, we trap goals, we black goals, we cat goals, and hip hop is how we tap blows, skate house, hip hop. I've been here standing for this time called family, they just gotta tell me this is pretty, they gotta feel the pity, they just gotta work what you play, what you got is with to breaking back
Bangkok family.
I always get what you do, it's beautiful, so you gotta plan what you coming, begging for me, time 11 right, you just got what you black, baby, I just had to tell, you just wanna make it shine, if you gotta believe it for yourself, one day you can make the biggest dream, you could be the fantasy, it's not a cheap count instead of mine, confuse of mind instead of reality, everywhere you go, everywhere you can, every picture you get, it's a dream of your life, maybe you want to think that's what happened in all the reason that you care for my life that I had, I never try to believe in all this care, but to even try to believe in all this great, has to only fit it with this, and again I made it, talking all this care, what you even bring me, talking like it out, I'm not the rest, it clicks like 99 feels to me. I've been telling this dream is like a 97 clocks we play, if it clock we play, we drip drop we play, it's now time we play. When we had a little lad that came to school, and I follow with the kid that's coming like a family. This dream is coming close, checking always ripping lows, we can now stick. Now they just wanna tell me here in the countryside I would again a peasant, they just wanna live in life, cities wanna get it like a bomb with the city. Checking always breaking, they just have to bury life and always getting, they just pick me up and feel. It's hard as always calling song, but you even dream is sleep. Checking all the sleeping, they just have to fall to punch my life again. I believe this is worth it, just taking a fall like trusting all this million dream. They just have to carry on 2 times killing me, 70 times and killing me. This sign is killing everyone, facing everyone. They said it really is common close, it's a place against a place. It's a big plot, we pick plot, we get dicks. It's a new dog, we flip drop, we get hit, we slip slot, we get hit. It's now we cutting cross with a trot tip, we get murdered with a back tip. I believe this is real, we can't fall, we trap shit, we get fall. Now this morning, get it, I'm spending this morning, kind of bitter. All this morning, get it, all this morning, they just have to say. This is what they're whipping, it's just getting what they're saying. It's like 99 when they clock strip, oh, and they play. Again, it's a flex, when they get it, all this black there, it's a have to feel. It's this how it's a feeling, it's even getting close, and the cross is not a heart, it's getting better when I feel. Trusting all this finger, they just trusting crossing all the finger with the flip, they just I'm feeling with the highs, and I'm playing with a bunk on this.